Stay tuned for these coming attractions. Introducing Catty Paws, the sensational singing feline that's sure to entertain the entire family. Let's hear a few bars.
She said no hugging, no kissing, till I get a wedding vow. Oh, my honey, my baby, don't put my love upon no shelf. She said don't hand me no lines and keep your paws to yourself.
Catty Paws works on 2 AA batteries and comes in the most attractive packaging.
Oh, it's getting late, my baby.
Now, from the furthest planet unimaginable, from the final frontiers of the galaxy. Yes, it's Mr. Robot. Mr. Robot walks. Mr. Robot talks. Mr. Robot dances. Mr. Robot fires discs. All the action is controlled by an infrared handheld mechanism. All the way from the South Seas, the original Parrots of the Caribbean. A beautiful parrot that repeats exactly what you say. Say the letters A, B, C, D while pressing the record button, and the parrot will repeat the letters to you. Imagine the fun that you can have. There's no language barrier whatsoever, so be careful of what you say. Look, it's the rolling, running, and rumbling Happy Hamster. Watch as he rolls in each and every direction. The Happy Hamster runs amok around obstacles in his way and has a rollicking good time. Never mind what gets in the way. The Happy Hamster finds a way out. He loves cats and dogs and can even escape from the tightest of all corners. He's hours of fun for the whole family. Get yours today.